It's Jeff and Wilma here at Buderim, and this morning we're here robbing the bees. It's sort of, some of the bees are actually chock-a-block. 3 weeks ago I was here, and we'd had a lot of rain and there wasn't any honey coming in, but in the past 3 weeks they've really cashed in on whatever's out there. Did it record that video?
Yes.
I'll just see what's in this one. I've taken 2 out of it. No, not really. Maybe it's not full. I find it easy to shake the bees off later on, so I just stand up against the back of the hive. There's plenty of bees in this one. I took a lot of brood out of this hive a couple of weeks ago to weaken it out a bit. And, still got heaps of bees in it. That one's full. Yeah, the ones on the outside were full, and the ones in the middle weren't quite full because they left gaps for the queen to lay eggs. So I'll just put this mat back on. Got one more to check. One more that I left. All those, is it still doing it? All those hives over there I haven't checked yet. About 9. Now this one here is the one I didn't rob yesterday. Look at that.
Oh boy.
Look at that. Yeah. I took brood out of this one 3 weeks ago because it was getting too strong. Found a couple of hives that have swarmed on me. So,
what's into here?
Yeah, since I was last year. Actually one hive has swarmed since I was here last. Well, I haven't checked the other 9 hives.
Look at that beautiful honey.
Yeah, I'm going to remove some of this bridging comb so I can get the first frame out.
Yeah, they're beautiful frames, aren't they?
Chocolate block. Actually, I had a few hives like this. But they're all chocolate block like that. Yeah, I found it so much easier to just rest them against the back of the hive, and they're so much easier to shake the bees off a bit later on. Plus you don't upset the bees on the spot. When you've got a few cranky hives, I found this the best way to go. Well, these bees now are actually after the honey, so they're easy to shake off. Maybe you can say that one, but actually can't hear me.
These bees that he's shaking off now are just after the honey, then, so they're easy to shake off. The bees that came out of the hive have left the frame, and it doesn't upset them so much if you just wait a while.
Plus, the robber bees will eat some of the unripe honey too.
Where Jeff's got the mat sticking out the side of the hive there, just shows him that he's got to put new frames back in once he's extracted. Jeff's just taken those frames away from the front of that hive, and those bees that were robbing the honey out of the frames are just looking for it now. And
You get one in one hand, right?
yeah,
And then the other one in the other hand. So on a nice clump of grass,
and they just fall off.
just, as long as I don't hit it too hard. See? That's what you do too then. That's a beauty.
Oh, it's a beautiful frame.
I've got a lot like that.
Federally. Now bring those
More beauties. Now you know why I wanted you to come down and record this one. Look at that ripper.
Yes, it's certainly something to look at.
Hey?
It's certainly something to look at.
Look at that one.
A big problem, I'm sure that there are a number of restaurants on the coast that might have
You wouldn't do this on solid ground, but you know, if the ground's a little bit soft, you can do that. If you do it too hard, you break the frames. This one here is really tough.
Big frame.
Have a look
Very
at-
heavy,
yeah,
isn't
thick
it?
that one is.
It's very heavy.
I normally do all this first thing in the morning before it gets too hot, and then I come back in the afternoon and do some more in the afternoon. So can't pick this one up with one hand. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. It is heavy. This is the one that swarmed. This is the hive that swarmed. So I'll pinch the box off this one. Put that back on there.
Didn't you bring enough boxes with you?
Oh, I bought 10 boxes, but nowhere near enough.
Jeff's just about finished loading the truck up with this load that he's collected this morning.
Right, this is the last one. Just got a little space for it just here. So we've got 11 boxes plus
What's going to happen to all these bees that are on the truck, Jeff, flying
they'll
around?
just fly back to the hive as I bounce around it. I have to take it very steady going home because I've got this whole row of frames that I didn't have any boxes for, so I've got to take it gently and I've got to tie them down. Tie them down, but my cargo net.
Okay.
and the comedy that came out of it and the jokes that were there and the parody of real life cricket was absolutely fantastic.